Hannah.
Not Jennifer.
And this is something else. Today, we're going to have a special guest, our friend Rebecca Cole.
And now for our guest, Rebecca Cole.
Who we probably should have given you the last name, because now you can track her down and stalk her.
Oh, thanks.
Put it on the toilet again, it's gonna be dead.
Have you had your first kiss yet? What kind of question is that?
It's an
A
average
reasonable
one.
one.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So yeah, what we a little while ago we talked about coordinates in science. What do you think of coordinates?
I can't say coordinates.
Say it louder.
I can't say coordinates.
She says coordinates.
Coordinates. Well, you guys don't.
Embarrassing!
You guys don't say coordinates. God, what's wrong with this population? God. On the social ladder up here, man.
You're more, if you, this was the top of the social ladder, this is the bottom, you'd be...
That's true.
No, thank you.
You'd be
Like,
falling
Just
and falling.
because you're obsessed with your hair and your face.
like in
doesn't
real
mean you're
terms,
popular.
just shut up. In real terms, I'd actually be like, this is the bottom. I'd actually be like right there, like in the middle, because I'm not like, I don't have acne. I keep my hair in sort of good. I wear sort
This
of
is
clothes.
offensive. I know. I'm friends with most guys that
Well,
are
yeah, that's
popular.
because guys want something that girls have.
Dude.
Apparently she has it.
Awesome. That is awesome.
Wait, let me check.
No drugs in it.
Wait. Let me check.
but you
Wait.
got the
Oh yeah,
dope.
I'm good. I'm all good. Wait. Oh yeah, I'm all good.
I'm good.
Okay, what happened to PG?
Oh, that
But we
was-
didn't show anything.
And then we have a blanket.
Are you just stripping under the blanket?
Hey
There you go.
guys, hello.
3.
Wow. They're freaks. Go to http://leeproductions.oakraven.net/what.
That's not staying, you butt-faced hole. I was my teacher up until in 3rd grade.